little hectic up in this motherfucker right now, man. How y'all feel out there? They need to do something right now, man.
Trigger Trucks, what you doing, homeboy?
Right now, what I'm doing, I'm making a clock.
You making a clock for what, homeboy?
Actually, it's not just a clock. What it is in all actuality, it's a time machine.
Oh shit. What you gonna do with the time machine, Chuck?
We about to take you back.
Y'all wanna go back with money like that to the right
About to take you back in time.
I said y'all wanna go back in time with only my nature the night away.
We about to go back to the year 19.
Who's fucking with the 90s, y'all?
19 naughty.
What's your favorite year in the 90s, y'all?
19 naughty.
I can't hear what's your favorite year in the 90s, y'all?
One.
Check it out, y'all. We want to thank Mobile Beat. We want to thank American DJs for having us tonight. We want to thank every one of you DJs who support us, who play us in every party you rock. If you got love for Naughty by Nature, put a motherfucking arm in the air and go side to side. Put a arm up side to side. Somebody say no, hey! Say no, hey! Put it up.
This is a story about the trip.
Put it up.
We're waiting for the worst of the best. Put it up now. We never planned on having so dead.
Put it up.